Ethical challenges in financial advertising are becoming one of the most important conversations in the niche finance marketing business, especially as audience grow more skeptical and regulation tighten. For brands is banking, fintech, investing, and credit product. The line between persuasive marketing and misleading claims have never been thinner. Investors and consumers expect honesty and transparency and clarity, but many financial ads still rely on complicated language, selective data, and emotionally charged promises that don't fully explain the risk involved. This creates a major risk gap, one that savvy marketers can turn into a powerful competitive advantage simply by being more ethical than competitors. The core challenge is that financial products are complex and complexity oftentimes brand oversimplify. For example, ads may highlight potential returns without clearly emphasizing the possibility of loss, or they may promote no fees while quietly burying condition in fine print. This is not just bad practice, it's one of the fastest ways to lose long-term credibility. Ethical financial advertising means presenting information clearly, avoiding deception, phrasing, and explaining risk in language that real people can actually understand. When brands are straightforward about the pros and cons of their offering, they build deep trust, something that significantly boosts customer retention and lifetime value. On YouTube, this topic performs incredibly well because viewers are searching for content that exposes unclear practices and break down what ethical advertising in finance really looks like. Videos that teach audience how to spot misleading ads, how to evaluate investment claims, or how to interpret financial disclaimers tend to generate strong watch time and engagement. By addressing these challenges through real examples and simple explanations, creators position themselves as trustworthy educators in a crowded and often confusing digital finance space. This naturally triggers YouTube algorithm to push the content toward viewers interested in financial literacy and responsible investing. Ethical challenges also show up in how companies use data with so much personal information available. Brands can micro-target vulnerable individuals, people experiencing debt, low income, or financial stress. While it may lead to short-term conversion, it damages brand reputation and can even result in regulatory consequences. Ethical marketers instead focus on empowering prospective clients with information that helps them make informed decisions, not pressured ones. They prioritize suitability over selling, clarity over clickbait, and value over manipulation. Ultimately, financial advertising works best when it respects the intelligence and well-being of the audience. These brands that succeed in the long run are the ones that communicate honestly, define their claims clearly, and avoid tactics that exploit uncertainty or fear. In a world where consumers can compare products instantly and share their experiences publicly, ethical marketing is not just the right thing to do, it's the most effective business strategy.